Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip. In this video, I'm going to discuss working with clipping planes while scanning. Notice in my project, it's empty. There's no CAD, there's no data. Let me go ahead and begin scanning my part. And without a clipping plane, when I begin scanning, you'll notice that my scanner can collect the data as well as the granite table underneath it. So typically to remove this granite table, I'll need to finish scanning, rotate my part, go to my Select Elements tool, and manually paint the areas I want to delete. That can become pretty tedious for what should be a rather quick operation. So let me go ahead and start over, delete the scan, and begin a new scan. PolyWorks offers clipping planes, and there's a setting here called clipping plane. Let me turn that on, and you'll see it's currently undefined. I'll go ahead and press the edit button, and if I have a probing device, I'll press probe or use an existing plane feature, but I'll probe in this case. And I'll go ahead and probe at least 3 points for a plane. And you'll now see that my clipping plane was last defined on this date at that time. So now when I start scanning, notice how all the data where the granite table originally was is automatically cropped out. Thus, I don't have to spend time cleaning up the data. Let me go ahead and close. And that's how I can work with a clipping plane. Thank you for watching.